how to apply for Section 8 housing in New Jersey. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Section 8 housing in New Jersey. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Section 8 housing is designed for low-income families and individuals. Make sure you meet New Jersey's income limits based on household size as well as residency and citizenship requirements. Each county in New Jersey has its own FAR that manages Section 8 applications. Find the FAR in your area or check with the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs for guidance. Some FARs may only open applications at certain times, while others use a lottery system. Check your FAR's website or contact them directly to learn if applications are being accepted and how the waitlist system works. Collect essential documents like proof of income, identification for all household members, social security numbers, and any other documents your FAR may require to verify eligibility. Visit your FAST website to access the Section 8 application form or go to their office if an in-person application is needed. Fill out all fields accurately to avoid any processing delays. Make sure to follow their specific instructions for submission. Once your application is submitted, you may be placed on a waiting list. Monitor your status and keep your contact information up to date with the FAR to receive important updates. The FAR may ask for more information or documentation to complete your application. Respond promptly to avoid delays in processing. After receiving your voucher, start looking for rental properties in New Jersey that accept Section 8. That's all for the video.